Now, in the previous video, this question was asked that what is the benefit of these mushrooms at the final stage of decomposition where people turn away from them. They although smell fruity, alcohol-like sweet, wine-like aroma is emanating from this. I feel little heady because of that. There may be some alcohols associated. I don't know whether these type of molecules are natural chemoattractants, which the mushroom fungus is programmed to attract so that it accelerates its decomposition in such a manner that along with the all these insect fauna feasting on its tissue in the last throes of death or decomposition, extinction from the soil till next season or next fruiting cycle. I want to explore whether it could be that these fruity aroma or what I get the smell here while handling these fruity aroma, sort of what you smell of ethyl acetate, methyl acetate, and all those type of compounds I am getting here. And that fruity aroma, it is not a off odor as such. It is like a very peculiar type of fruity aroma. It's sweetish type of fruity aroma, and I was wondering whether it is a chemoattractant which could disperse with the turbulent air and bring some more insects to the mushrooms, and then they colonize, they try to attack and consume the biomass, and in the process, exactly what benefits the termites, if they benefit, that is the question I asked. Then that would be a very interesting, because during daytime we find very little of overground termite activity, and during night time it's very difficult to go and explore because of the darkness and also the small size of the termites. They are very shy, they are photophobic, and they turn away from light and hide the moment they get our vibrations of our feet or any type of sound. They have chemical signaling system, they have acoustic signaling system, they have very interesting defense system. And also these fungus grower termites, mound building termites, Termitomyces growing termites, I do not know means exactly later what exactly is the sequence, because nobody has waited long enough in the field to observe full decomposition and transport of this decomposed tissue back to the fungus comb and all. But my hypothesis is that is what serves the purpose of the termites, that they indirectly, this exosymbiont which they maintain inside the fungus garden is also beneficial to them in its teleomorph. So basically both anamorph and teleomorph, a sexual stage which they maintain in terms of small white cottony spirules or sporodocia for almost 8 to 9 months of the year, and then from this sporodocia or asexual stage on the fungus combs, we get this teleomorph or the sexual fruit body which produces basidiospore. The anamorph for 8 or 10 months produces asexual spores or mitospores. So from mitospores, there is a whole journey to basidiospores above the ground. And interestingly, I believe that this multiplication occurs at the expense of the basal fungus comb, because there is otherwise no nutritional support for this big mass of biomass of these mushrooms to develop.